Increasing online sales through affiliate marketing. You will find that affiliated marketing is one of the best ways for someone to market and advertise online. It will help you to make some more money, but it will also push online sales to go up as well. You will want to keep in mind that affiliated marketing is something that you can generate more interest for your own website and products, as well as make a profit by selling others. You'll want to consider cashing in on this marketing scheme, because it is almost a no-fail plan. You'll need to consider having good connections that you can rely on, as well as being a good connection yourself. Keep in mind that there are 3 ways that you will be able to receive payment. You will be able to use PPC, PPS, and PPA. When it comes to pay-per-click, it is where you will get compensated for so many hits. You'll need to make your products and the website look inviting and also interesting. You need to get the customers to click in order to receive payment. As for the PPS or pay-per-sale, it is exactly what it sounds like. You will get paid for each sale that you make. It's very simple. Then there is PPA. This means pay-per-action. This is where you will be able to get paid for every time someone registers to the site, makes a purchase, clicks, and so on. There are many ways that you'll be able to make a profit with pay-per-action.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.